Hi friends, welcome to Surya Yoga Center, Parvatipuram. Man has to imitate many animal postures while in prone position, like that of cobra in Bhujangasana, which to give stimulation to various organs of the body. Today we are going to learn some prone postures like Bhujangasana, Salabhasana and Dhanurasana. Now, first of all, Bhujangasana. शिथिला स्थिति मकरासन स्थिति prone posture. Place your hands beside the chest at the last rib. Least pressure on the palms. Elbows close to each other. Inhale and come up. Arch the spine and neck backwards. Keep the body below the navel in touch with the ground. Maintain the final position with normal breathing for 30 seconds. Exhale. Come back to Sthiti. Relax in Makarasana. Benefits: brings flexibility to the spine, strengthens the spinal muscles, reduces the abdominal fat, useful to bronchial and back pain problems. Limitations: abdominal surgery may avoid for 2 months. Proceed cautiously in cervical spondylosis. Now, second one, Salabhasana. शिथिला स्थिति मकरासन स्थिति prone posture. Palms placed under the thighs. Inhale, rise both legs up without bending the knees. Pull up the kneecaps. Squeeze the buttocks to improve the posture. Maintain 30 seconds with normal breathing. Exhale. Come back to Sthiti. Relax in Makarasana. Benefits: helpful to low back pain and sciatica. Tones up the kidneys and hip muscles. Reduces fat on thighs and buttocks. Limitations: cardiac and diabetic patients avoid this posture. Low back pain, proceed cautiously. The third one, Dhanurasana. शिथिला स्थिति मकरासन स्थिति prone posture. Bend the knees and hold the ankles by the palms. While inhale, raise the head and chest upwards. Pull the legs outwards and backwards. so that the spine is arched back like bow. Rest on the abdomen. Do not bend the elbows. Look up. Keep the toes together. Maintain 30 seconds with normal breathing. Exhale. Slowly come back to Sthiti. Relax in Makarasana. Benefits: useful to diabetes, removes gastrointestinal disorders, stimulates in slimming the body, gives stimulation and flexibility to the back. Limitations: general disability should be cautious. Thank you to all.